algebraically. This time we're using the calculators. We're going to do the same thing we did in the last unit. We divide this at the equal sign. So I have f1 of x is everything on the left-hand side. f2 of x is everything on that right-hand side. And I'm going to graph the two. So this is just an example right here of what your graph would look like. When I graph this right here, I get my exponential function there. When I graph this, I get the line. And the solution, just like we did before, is this point of intersection right here. So x equals, in this situation, we're counting by halves. So x equals 3, 9. Well, the point of intersection, sorry, is 3, 9. I only want to know what x equals. So I don't want the whole point. I only want x is equal to 3. On the table, because on tax a lot of times they're going to give you just this. Show where the solution is. Here's what I'm looking for. Y values are the same. If the y values are the same, I don't want the y value, I want the x value. X is equal to 3 again. Let's work an example on our calculator. So example here, this is in your notes, follow along. I have 2 raised to the 3x plus 6 equals 8. I'm going to divide this. And then I'm going to graph this. So on my calculator here, graph page, f1 of x is 2 raised up to the 3x plus 6, enter. Tab to bring up your second function bar. And I'm going to graph just number 8. I don't have to have the same base to do this. Graph. Now notice 8 didn't show up here, and that's just because it's off my screen. So let's zoom out until we get a good picture. Here's my intersection. So I need to know what this point is right here, and let's not guess at it. Let's go menu, analyze graph, intersection, make that window around it. And my point is negative 1, 8, but I want to know what x equals, so my solution is x equals negative 1. Check the table. And you're going to have to arrow over to the right to get that second y to show up there. As on the other table, y has the same value at the solution. X equals negative 1. Same thing table as I get on the graph here.